Tired of WhatsApp ruining the quality of your profile photo? Here's the updated method to upload a sharp, high-res image, step by step. WhatsApp profile pictures are shown as a square, but they display inside a circle. Ideal size, 640 by 640 pixels. Not too big, not too small. Don't upload a 5 megabyte DSLR photo. WhatsApp will compress it hard. Use PNG or JPG under 1 megabyte, and don't use screenshots. They often lose clarity. Crop your photo to a square before uploading. This prevents WhatsApp from auto-cropping and ruining your framing or sharpness. Use free tools like Snapseed or Remini to lightly sharpen your image before uploading. Just don't overdo it. You want natural clarity. Now open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Profile, tap your picture, and upload the optimized image. Once uploaded, preview it full screen and zoom in. If it looks sharp there, it will look great to your contacts too. That's how to keep your WhatsApp profile picture crisp and clean. Like and follow for more simple mobile tricks that actually work.